Most business owners start the year excited. New goals, new targets, and new plans. But by March or April, they're already stressed, confused, or wondering why cash feels tight again. The problem is not effort. The problem is how the year was opened. So many businesses move forward without properly closing the previous year. Say the bank balances are not reconciled, receivables and payables are not reviewed, inventory numbers are carried over blindly. Financial statements are never really checked. So the year starts with wrong numbers, and every decision after that is based on guesswork. So that is why business owners feel busy but unsure, earning but anxious, or selling but still cash poor. A new year doesn't automatically create clarity. If you don't start the year with proper accounting SOPs, you are just repeating last year's problem in a new calendar. Click the link below to learn more.